Hi guys, this is Billy from BBC Expressions. I'm going to show you how to do epoxy work today. I had this project lying around that I didn't get a chance to finish before. It's a painting over wood, and today I'm going to start with first layer of epoxy, which is a scratch layer. And it's going to be more rough than the finished layers, which is ultimately going to be 2-3 layers. And the first coat is not nearly as important as the others, but I have a trick to do really well. And I'm going to start my epoxy putting it 50-50. The part 1 and part 2 has to be equal amount. I'm going to do about 1 liter. Then I'm going to mix it really well. That's the trick. Because if you don't put equal amounts and if you don't mix it properly, it will not dry. And believe me, I had a project many months ago, and it was chaotic. And I want to make sure that this doesn't happen to you. Believe me, because I already experienced it. So this is 1 liter and slightly more than 32 ounces. Okay, so the trick with epoxy is keep it clean, take a clean stick and mix it. You need to make sure that it mixes extremely well. Manufacturer recommends about 3 minutes. And make sure scrape the edges too. That's what we don't do very well as artists. Believe me, I had a project that would not dry for a couple of weeks. In the end, it was a lot of heartache. I'm not doing that again. You will see that you will create bubbles. It's okay. Bubbles come out. Mix it till it's clear. Oops, I have a little piece, but anyway, I'll take care of that later. Mix it. It's getting there. Great. Scrape the edges. Alright. So, I'm going to take my pot away. Stick away. Hopefully you can see that, bubbles. I have a little piece in there that left over from the, I'm going to take that out. This is my first layer, so I'm not fussed. Normally I would do this in a clean room, but because I will do 2-3 layers of epoxy, the first layer is not nearly as important. However, what I like to do is pour it in the center and spread. This is more or less a 3-dimensional painting, so it will have some raised areas. It's not flat. I want to make sure that I cover every area. What I should have done is making sure that it was level. And I forgot to do that, but anyway, again, this is the first layer. I will have room to correct my mistakes in the second layers, second or third. And I have plenty of spare, so I'm going to go around. I will make sure that my edges are covered. You notice that I do this with my hand. This is the trick I was going to tell you, to smooth and eliminate issues. Been doing this for a while, and I met a man who told me the trick at one of the trade shows. I was so grateful. have a little bit more left, and I'm gonna clean inside because I want to reuse these pots. Right. There's some silicone on this painting, so it probably will give it some divots. It's okay. Alright. I'm sure you watch lots of videos where people use the blowtorch to pop the bubbles. I just bought a burst the bubble thing from Amazon, and I want to try it. So let's see what happens. Ooh, it is working. That's great. Wow. I don't know what's in it exactly. I should look. Look at that. It feels like it's alcohol. It's gotta be alcohol. I guess it's gonna evaporate, right? We'll see. However, it created a divot right here. So I think I'm gonna take my finger and push it around. As I said, this is gonna be my first layer, and I'm gonna sand and do another layer later, so it's just not gonna matter. I just want to show you how simple the epoxy thing is. Don't be afraid. Never be afraid. Hi guys, this is 2 days after the pour. You can see that epoxy is okay. It has problems, but I'm gonna look. There's this right. Let me see. There's right here. There's a problem which I'm going to. I think it's a fly that landed on it. There's an unevenness right here. There's a, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to slightly sand and pour again, and this time I will do it inside, so that it's just not going to get any dust and debris on it. So this was it. I hope you liked the process, and I can't wait to see your projects. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.